patuloy lang tayong tumutulong sa ating mga kaibigang vloggers na miyembro ng ating media. Alam naman ninyo na bihirang-bihira na yung nag-ahatid ng balita dito sa ating mga vloggers. Subaybayan lang ninyo yung mga iniiwasang talakayin ng traditional media dito ay no filter na tinatalakay, walang takot, maisog ang kanilang pagdiskurso at tinahad ang katotohanan. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Patuloy niyo suportahan yung iba't ibang channel na nadali rito, yung mga subscribers ninyo, at patuloy tayo magkaisa. Labanan daw natin ang disinformation, tumutok sa mga miyembro ng new media, sa inyo, mga social media vloggers. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Tony.
Buhay Maisog!
Mabuhay!
Buhay po, Atty. Vic Rodriguez. Maraming salamat. Maisog! Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch this and hear the message coming from no other than the Honorable Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw mayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My warmest greetings to the men and women behind Hakbang ng Maisog who are gathered today in the spirit of solidarity and love of country. Let me thank you for your commendable display of unity in tirelessly rallying for genuine transformation, underscored by our shared democratic principles and deep regard for the welfare of our kababayan. With your brave and tireless dedication to the noble purposes of the Maisog movement, it is my sincere hope that together we can advance justice for the underprivileged and work towards the vital task of fostering a brighter future for our nation. Ang pangako ng pagbabago ay nangangailangan ng patuloy na pagsisikap. Sa harap ng mga hamon, doblehin natin ang ating dedikasyon sa paglilingkod sa mga komunidad na kulang sa serbisyo. Lubos ang aking pasasalamat sa inyong dedikasyon sa bayan at suporta sa mga advokasya ng tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo. Sama-sama tayong magsusulong ng mas matatag na sambayanan para sa makabuluhang pagbabago. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan at sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Syukran.
Syukran. Maraming salamat po, Madam Vice President Sara Duterte Carpio. Isang masigapong palakpakan naman po para sa ating Vice Presidente. And now, as we look forward to the journey ahead, let us hear some words of challenge and encouragement from no other than President of Hakbang ng Maisog, Yusek Penpeng Libres. And at this juncture, I would like to request for some announcements. Engineer Ed Francisco. Evening po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ipakita po natin yung totoong pledge of support sa darating na Martes, February 11, meron po tayong motorcade na doon po tayo magtatagpo sa opisina sa number 89 Timog at iikot po tayo sa Quezon City. Ang assembly time po is 1 o'clock. Ang departure natin is 1:30. And then by 4 o'clock, blessing naman po ng opisina po ng sa Timog, sa number 89 Timog. Kaya inanyayahan po namin kayo na sumali po tayo sa motorcade. Hihintayin po namin kayo at ipakita natin sa gawa ang pledge of support for Attorney Vic Rodriguez for Senator Moving. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Engineer. And as we continue, let us hear some words coming from the lead convener of the Hakbang ng Maisog, Susie Villar.
Everyone, I'm here to, before this evening ends, I would like to show so much my appreciation to all you supporters who came over in support of Attorney Vic Rodriguez for Senator Movement. And also for Hakbang ng Maisog, which is always, as always, for transparency, peace, accountability, and stability. I would also like, on behalf of I would like to thank the members of my organizing team who helped me for so many weeks planning for this event. They're seated in this area. Thank you so much. And of course, we're all looking forward to a very good and significant campaign from here day on, or starting February 11. And as you have heard, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, posible yung talagang pagbabago. Let's look forward and one day attend the victory party of our Senator Vic Rodriguez. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, lead convener of Hakbang ng Maisog, Susie Villar. And at this juncture, may I request all of you to stand up. Photographers, videographers on stage, we are going to have a groupie with, of course, Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Sa gitna lamang po si Attorney.
Tara na.
Please approach the dance floor, ladies and gentlemen. Lumapit po tayo kay Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Tingin lamang po sa ating mga litratista, ha? Everyone, please approach the dance floor. Smile po.
Uy!
Doon naman po tayo sa ating mga photographer. Smile! Mabuhay Hakbang!